Hello students, we are going to do comparison of adjectives. We have already done this, but again we are going to do this. So all of you are having, some are having old book and some are having new book. So accordingly that see comparison of adjectives. In the index you have to see comparison of adjectives, take out that page number and then you have to do this formation of the comparative and superlative. You can see here positive, comparative and superlative. Small, smaller, smallest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. In this way some of the degrees are given: positive, comparative and superlative. You have to go through this. You should know what are the degrees of these positive words, and also for the superlative and comparative, what are the positive degree. So next one is when the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added. Here large, larger, largest. Brave, braver, bravest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Next one is when the positive ends in Y. See here Y and is preceded by a consonant. Y is changed into I before adding ER or EST, like heavy. Now Y, what Y will be omitted from here? Heavier, heaviest. Easy, the same thing here for easy also. Y will be omitted. Easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. And in the second next page, the last consonant is doubled. If a word of one syllable ends in a single consonant and is preceded by a short vowel, you all know what is vowel: A, E, I, O, U. So here see big. What we are going to do? Double. Bigger, B-I-double-G. So we have put double G here. Biggest. Same fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Next is most adjective of more than two syllables and many with two form the comparative by adding more before the positive and form the superlative by adding most before the positive. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You all have to learn this because some of you make mistake. Like difficult, you don't have to write difficultier and difficultiest. You have to write more difficult, most difficult. Careful, more careful, most careful. Then foolish, more foolish, most foolish. Important, more important, most important. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Useful, more useful and most useful. And here some adjectives are compared irregularly. Their comparative and superlative forms are not formed from the positive. Like example, positive is bad, evil, ill. So what you are going to write for that? Not badder or evilier or eviliest. You are going to write worse and worst, far, farther, farthest, good, better, best, or well, better, best, late, later, latest, or late, latter, last, little, less, least, or little, lesser, least. For much and many, you are going to write more and most, old, older, oldest, or if you are talking about the elder one, then we will write elder, eldest, near, nearer, nearest, or you can write next. Next one is there are 12 words in the comparative form borrowed from Latin. They all end in OR. Now see the first thing, the following 5 of them have lost their comparative meaning and are used as positive adjective like interior, exterior, ulterior, major and minor. The house needs major repairs. I have no ulterior motive in this work. In the accident, he got minor injuries. The exterior wall is of stone, but the interior wall is of wood. Note, these adjectives neither take than nor to after them because they have lost their comparative construction. So please underline this one. These adjectives neither take than or to after them because they have lost their comparative constructions. The remaining 7 have retained their comparative meaning and are used as comparative adjectives, but unlike the comparative construction, they are followed by to instead of than, and this one is very useful for your preposition exercise. These 7 are, you have to underline this again. Just a minute. You have to underline this: inferior, superior, junior, senior, anterior, posterior, and prior. With all these, you are going to use to. My TV is superior to yours. Whenever this word will come, you have to use to with it. He is junior to me in service. This painting is inferior to that one. He is senior to me by 6 years. So I think till here it is clear to all of you. You have to learn all these degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. Vice versa, you have to learn all this. So please do this, and next we will do in the next class. Thank you.